Hi, Stony Plain Alliance Church. I want to give you an update on our in-person gatherings. We've decided to take a slow, phased approach to a return to our in-person services. This summer, we had 4 midweek services to beta test what in-person services would look like. We were able to follow the AHS protocols, and those who talked to us about the services found them to be meaningful, even though they were different from what we were used to. In August, we sent a survey out to our congregation and asked for your level of readiness to return to in-person gatherings. Roughly 25% were ready to run back. 50% indicated that they were cautious about returning, and another 25% said that they were not ready to return anytime soon. As well, churches throughout the greater Edmonton area are seeing about a 25% return of their congregation to services. And so in keeping with our approach of slowly phasing in-person services, we're going to return to Sunday in-person gatherings on October the 4th in the auditorium in Stony Plain. We will, of course, implement all AHS safety protocols, and we'll also have each participant wear a mask. Now, I know that there are various opinions on masking, but we're going to ask you to practice love and deference toward one another. Many survey comments told us that there are a significant number of our congregation who will only return if we wear masks and practice social distancing. We want to establish a safe environment in which every person will feel welcome. And during this pandemic, that looks like following health protocols and wearing masks while we're indoors together. So starting October 4th, you'll be able to join us in person in Stony Plain and online in a live stream service. Some of you have asked, why do you go to all the trouble? Maybe we should just stay online. The church is meant to be a community that worships and prays and learns together. Online is a good option for those who can't join us for various reasons, but it never replaces our in-person community. So we're taking it slow and cautious and move toward in-person gatherings while still providing a live stream service for the many who are not yet ready or able to return. The other thing you need to know right now is that we're not yet able to offer in-person children's ministry. We don't believe that we can implement both Plan to Protect protocols and the AHS protocols in our rental space at Living Waters. Of course, families can attend our in-person services, and our Adventure Ministries team will also be working creatively to offer resources to young families and small groups so that we can help our kids continue to grow in Christ in this very unique season. In fact, we're encouraging you to meet in family cohorts and in small groups to participate in the live stream together as you feel comfortable. We feel that we will be in a much better position to offer in-person children's ministry once we move into our new facility in a few short months, targeted for March 2021. But of course, we need to reevaluate that plan as we move through the fall. Finally, before we do anything, I want to call you to pray with us during our annual Fall Week of Prayer in September from the 14th to the 18th. We are asking you to stand with our students, our families, our educators, and of course our SPAC ministry leaders in prayer at this significant moment in history as we call out to God for His presence and power in our midst during this relaunch. We will send another update on our services and on our Fall Week of Prayer in the coming weeks. Watch for that. But thanks for continuing to be part of our community. We're excited about what God is doing, and we invite you to continue to join with us. Grace and peace.